Hello बच्चों, let's see the question here. Out of lithium plus beryllium plus 2 and boron plus 3 ions, which has the smallest ionic radius and why? तो हम यहाँ पे हमारा सॉल्यूशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे विद की कॉन्सेप्ट इन दिस केस. Here we know that for cations size is small as compared to their parent atom, whereas the parent atom have size smaller as compared to their anion. The reason being here that in case of cation, number of electrons decreases, hence the effective nuclear charge will increase because जो electron repulsion होगा वो decrease करेगा यहाँ पे. So due to that, radius is small here. And if we increase the positive charge in this case, that means Z effective और ज़्यादा increase होगा. And hence due to that radius will decrease more. Whereas in case of anion, यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन जो रिपल्शन फोर्स होगा वो इंक्रीज करेगा because यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हम इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं. So due to that radius is more. Whereas when we increase the charge, in that case what will happen, number of electrons are increasing, that means repulsion भी यहाँ पे increase होगा and hence radius will further increase. इस क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास क्या गिवन है, हमारे पास पॉजिटिव आयंस गिवन है. सो हियर वी हैव lithium plus ion, beryllium plus 2 and boron plus 3. जैसा कि हमने डिस्कस किया था, अगर यदि हम पॉजिटिव चार्ज इंक्रीज करेंगे तो रेडियस क्या होगा, डिक्रीज करेगा. दैट मीन्स Li plus it will have largest ionic radius than Be plus 2 and Be plus 2 will have larger ionic radii than B plus 3. This is the order for ionic radii here. Reason क्या है यहाँ पे, with increase in charge Z effective increases and hence it result in decrease of radius. That means in this case we were asked what will be the smallest ionic radius from this. So this will be for boron plus 3 ion, and reason being increase in effective nuclear charge, that is Z effective. This is the final answer. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.